In the wiring world, you're generally given 3 types of circuits: 50s, modern, and volume bleed. But if you do a simple web search to find, a simple explanation of what each one does and which one fits in your playing styles, it's really hard to find. Before we start, I want you to go ahead and like and subscribe. We are a small shop, so all these videos that we make, they're outside of working hours, and they're really just kind of a passion project that we really enjoy making. Now, in order to make this explanation not confusing, I need to educate you on 2 simple terms: taper and filter style. Taper in this sense is how you describe how a volume or tone decreases as you roll the knob to 0. An example would be if we said that a volume has a very steep taper, what we're saying is as you roll down that volume, it's going to rapidly drop and sounds like you're falling off a cliff. Simple enough, right? Filter styles is going to be a simple one to learn, as the style filter is in the name. A high-pass filter is going to preserve highs, where a low-pass filter is going to preserve lows. Okay, now that we have that down, let's proceed. So whenever you're choosing a circuit, you want to ask yourself one simple question: what do I want to save? Do I want to save lows or do I want to save highs? Now, if you choose lows, then you can stop right here, as you have chose modern, which is a low-pass filter. If you want highs, then you're left with 50s and volume bleed. So what's the difference? Basically, it's the tapers. 50s is famous for having a volume control that keeps a very even tone balance as you roll it off. That is at a cost of a steep taper, and basically an on-off style tone control. What do we mean by an on-off tone control? Nothing happens from 10 to 3, and then from 2 to 1, you really hear it. Volume bleed, on the other hand, is just the modern wiring that we add a capacitor to, designed to bleed the highs at lower volumes. So you get a balanced volume and tone taper, but it's a pre-selected high range. So then which one do you choose? If you're someone who uses your tone control at every level, then I would suggest volume bleed. If you're someone who doesn't use their tone, but instead uses their volume, I would actually do 50s. Now, if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us. We'll do our best to answer them, and maybe go in a little bit more depth of what actually would work for you. If you do like this video and want to support us, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Maybe share this to a friend who might appreciate it. My name is Sean, and thank you for watching this video.